Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Marilyn and we are Lynn's Crochet. Let's get started on the video. I'm using a 4.5mm hook. I'm using acrylic DK weight yarn, and for this one I used 100 grams in the color yellow. So we're gonna start off with a slip knot and then I'm gonna chain 72. Okay, so I chain 72 because I am a small, so you can use your own measurement. I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen of how to measure yourself, so it's from the back to the other side of the back. I don't know, from the side of your rib cage to the side of your rib cage. So that's basically what I'm doing. Now I'm done with my chain of 72. I'm gonna insert a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and then obviously each and everyone's size is going to be different. Remember, I said from the side of your rib cage to the other side of your rib cage. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I think you get the point. So that's me just showing you how to do the single crochet stitch. I'm going to repeat it one time. Insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through both loops. So you're going to do that single crochet for the length of your top until you finish the chain. So that's what I'm doing. I'm almost at the last stitch of my row, so I'm just going to insert one last single crochet on the last stitch like that. I'm just showing you my chain. I'm going to chain one, turn my work, and then I'm going to be working on the other side, and then I'm just going to be working a single crochet. Just gonna be working a single crochet in each and every single stitch all around for my chain. So from here, guys, the pattern is very repetitive. It's just me single crocheting, getting to the last stitch, chaining one, turning my work, and repeating the same pattern all over and over and over and over again until I get my desired length. I made my top very short because I wanted it to just cover my breast. It's a crop top. So yeah, it's very repetitive. You can do however many rows you'd like. From here, it's just a repeat of the same thing. So I'll see you guys towards the end. So just enjoy the video, and yeah. I am finally at the end of my top. This is me just showing you guys the final process, doing my last stitch and then chaining 2 per usual, and then that's how we're gonna cut off our t-shirt. So that's how it looks. I did a couple of rows to get my desired length so you can cover my bust, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna be moving on to the next step of the top. Moving on to the second portion of the video, which is gonna be the sleeves. So I'm gonna start off with a slip knot. What you're gonna do is measure the length, the width of your sleeve, and then you're basically just gonna make a chain that's gonna be able to go through your arm. Yeah, so I'm just chaining and then just doing the measurement of the width of my arm. I got my length of my arm, and then I'm just gonna slip stitch my chain all around to make a circle. I'm gonna chain 4, just like that, and then what I'm gonna do is just tighten up my work, skip the first stitch, and then insert a double crochet in the next one. Chain 1, and then insert a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 double space, and then a double crochet, skip 1, and then a double crochet just in the next stitch, just like that. Chain 1, next stitch, a double crochet. So I don't know if I'm making any sense. You basically chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and then chain 1, double crochet. That's basically what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna insert double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, the next stitch, a double crochet. So yeah, I'm just gonna be repeating that all around. I'm finishing up my row with a slip stitch and the third chain, just like that. I'm just showing you guys my work. Now I'm gonna chain 4. Now I'm gonna insert a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and then a double crochet on top of my previous double crochet. So we're basically working a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 on top of the previous double crochet from the previous row in each and every single double crochet. So that's what I'm doing over here. Just on top of each and every single double crochet, you insert another double crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet, just like that. You're gonna do that for the entire row all around, and then you're gonna seal the deal with a slip stitch at the end as usual.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.
We're gonna start row 3 with a chain 4, just like that. Send my work, and then in the first, on top of the first double crochet, I'm gonna insert double crochet, chain 1 in this space between the double crochet, the chain 1 space, insert a double crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the space of the chain 1, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, and a double crochet, double crochet. So that's basically the repeat of the pattern. So I'm just going to do that all around. So I get my row 4 and 5, you basically just bring a double crochet, chain 1 in each and every on top of the double crochets. So you chain 1, double crochet on top of a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on top of the double crochet. So you're going to do those for row number 4 and row number 5. It's just to repeat until you are done. I'll meet you guys once I reach my row number 6. I'm at row number 6 and I'm going to start off with my chain 4 like how I start each and every single row. On top of the first double crochet, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 1. On top of the next double crochet, you're going to make a decrease by joining that double crochet and the next double crochet, chain 1, and then you're going to make a decrease again on top of the double crochets, joining them to look like that. Chain 1 and then you're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, then you're going to join 2 double crochet stitches like that. So it's 2 decreases, 1 double crochet, 2 decreases, 1 double crochet, and you're basically making the decrease on top of the previous row's double crochets like that. So I'm going to be doing that all around. I'm going to be doing that all around until I reach the end of my row.
Turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now.
I am done with my sleeve. Now I'm going to be joining my top and the sleeve together. So I stitch marked underneath my armpit on both sides. So that's where my sleeve is going to be coming from. You're going to make 2 of the arm sleeves just like that. And then now we're gonna just attach them. They kind of look like a balloon type. So yeah, I have inserted my hook where is underneath my armpit for the right side and the left side. So I'm just gonna be joining my yarn like that. I'm just attaching my yarn to my t-shirt. Now I'm just gonna insert my hook, chain 10 to join my t-shirt and my sleeves. I'm just chaining 10 so I can join my t-shirt just like that, and then taking my t-shirt and just inserting it anywhere. I'm joining the whole t-shirt with a slip stitch, and then I'm gonna slip stitch again in a different space, and then slip stitch again, and then chain 2, and then cut off my yarn. So that's just basically how I joined the t-shirt to the sleeve. Now I'm just going to be making a chain for my top, which is going to be the chain that goes at the back. I chained 150 for my top. You can chain more if you want the coverage of that. I think 150 or 120 would be perfectly fine. So this is going to be the chain that's going to be going on my top. the best, and yeah. And I'm done creating my chain. I'm just placing it properly, and then now we're just gonna make that string. So that's basically how I'm showing you how many do it. It's gonna look like finally done with my top. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my tutorial until now. I hope you guys found the tutorial very helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.